I'm your tech guy, Wayne. Today I want to show you this cool editing trick I just came across. So check this out. I took this picture of my daughter and I was so bummed because I thought this picture came out clear. Well, it did come out clear. But here's the caveat. When you take pictures, there's a feature called motion photo. And what it does is it actually takes a few seconds of the picture. And so although it looks like this picture came out blurry, there's one tweak I can make to basically get a better keyframe of this shot. Let me stop talking. Let me show you what I mean. Also, because I have the Z Fold 7, I'm going to edit on that large screen because why wouldn't I edit on the bigger screen and just see it better? So, okay, check this out. I'm going to tap on the editing button right here and then go to this button here. This is your motion photo button, and you can change the keyframe of the picture. What does that mean? Well, again, when it takes the picture, it actually records. It actually takes not just one still, but it takes kind of a video, so you can adjust the keyframe like this. Watch this. And look, this is the clear picture that I thought I took. But the keyframe set it to a different one. So all I have to do is come in here and find the exact shot that I want. And I think I want to do this one right here. That one's super clear. And now I can hit set keyframe and save it. And now here's my new picture. And that one's super clear and crisp. Isn't that awesome? So I had to jump on here and show you because you guys, I was like, this is so cool. And I bet more people would use this if they knew it was available.